Hi guys, good day, good afternoon, or good evening, good morning, or what time you can watch my video. So, by the way, I'm Noel Orong, Mr. Wingbin in the Philippines. So I want to share you guys about my favorite crop or wing beans or sigarilyas in Tagalog version, and in Visayan version it is called carabansos. So now I'm going to show my garden here at the back in my kubo. So actually I have many seedlings or seeds here. So this is the color of wing beans or sigarilyas if it's ripened or is uh, is getting old. So you can see it, so very hard the skin, and then inside of the pods there are uh, very hard seeds. Ayan. Then the color of the seeds is color brown, and then sometimes it is colored black, brown, and white color. So it depends of the situation of the fruits. Okay, so that is why there are different color of the seeds. So now I'm going to show my garden. I have one plant here outside of my kubo. So I shout out, no, special shout out to my new friend, new blogger that I know. He is one of the very popular content creator. So I introduce you guys. So don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel, uh, Regular Gay. So hey, Regular Gay. So this video is I want to introduce my channel. Then I want to show you my favorite crop, wing beans or sigarilyas. So I want to share you about my advocacy of planting wing beans here in the Philippines. So that is why Noel Orong, my name is Noel Orong. Since 2018 I was uh, keep planting wing beans or sigarilyas. That is why 2018 I can't forget this time that uh, I decided to call my advocacy as a Mr. Wingbin ng Pinas. Mr. Wingbin and the Philippines. So thank you so much to all my subscribers here in my channel, road to 3,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for your support guys. And now we're going to show you my garden wing beans or sigarilyas. So we are here outside of my kubo. So I'm going to show you guys my wing beans or sigarilyas. So here, yan. So I have one only wing beans plant here. So yeah. So it is one. Actually I have three plants wing beans or sigarilyas here, but sad to say that because of the very heat uh, of the climates 3 months ago or 2 months ago, so that is why one only that survived. Uh, it is one of the my planted here outside of my kubo. So I'm thankful that I have one survived wing beans or sigarilyas here. So let's check, let's check it out. So this is my wing beans. So you can see it healthy with greens color. So you can see that it is healthy wing beans because the color is uh, not so green, so meaning the color is healthy. Okay, yellowish and not so yellow, not too green. So that's the stages of uh, healthy, what's called this one. So ibig sabihin that is healthy, no? So the soil is a balance of natural nutrients. So actually I don't use the chemicals or any uh, what do you call this, uh, fertilizers in the market, no. So this is natural, no chemicals, no fertilizers, because I don't practice the using the chemicals, like uh, fertilizers in the market, no. So I use only uh, mga iti of the chicken, pigs and cows, and garbages, mga biodegradable uh, basura, ayan, garbages. So thank you so much guys for your support guys to in my channel. So I hope you can learn something for this vlog. So don't forget guys to continue to support my channel, and especially to our uh, American vlogger Sir Regular Gay. So I hope you can see my video right now, that it is my very update, this is my new vlog about my wing beans or sigarilyas. So I hope you can invite me as your new friend, as a content creator in the Philippines. So I am willing to be with your content, so to be a guest in your content rather. So I'm Noel Orong, your Mr. Wingbin in the Philippines. So I'm sorry that I'm not particular in speaking English, but I I do my best so that you can understand my situation. So once again, I live here in very simple living, very simple house. Ayan. That's the house of Mr. Wingbin in the Philippines. Thank you. So don't forget guys to subscribe if you are beginner, or if you are new in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you can see my next upload. Ayan. And don't forget to comment guys, and suggest to my channel. Thank you, and once again, God bless us all. See you, Mr. Regular Gay. Thank you.